This is 7630, apartment 217 at the Hinge. This is a 1-bed, 1-bath unit with 612 square feet. This will be a corner unit, so you'll have great windows and natural light. You will have an island in the kitchen. It will come with a stainless steel package, dishwasher and stove, refrigerator with ice maker, built-in microwave, and a closet right at the entry. This closet will contain your utilities, HVAC and water heater. And this will have the stackable washer dryer. Bathroom will be right in here with a shower tub combination. And this would be the bedroom space. With a side-by-side closet. This is unit 217 at the Hinge. 1 bed, 1 bath, 612 square feet.